Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Google Chromecast 4.0. And to do this you'll need to use your remote to navigate to your right, open a settings, inside scroll down to your system, find about, scroll down again, and here you should see the factory reset. Click on it, then select factory reset, and make sure that you understand this device will delete all information and all data from it. And so if you agree with it, click on erase everything and then simply follow the instructions. Your device should be successfully restarted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.